Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have something truly special to talk about: the Spark and Wow Caterpillar Activity Wall Panels. These sensory wall panels are not just for kids. They are the best sensory wall panels for adults you can find on the market. In this video, we'll take a closer look at this incredible product and explore all the features that make it stand out. The Spark and Wow Caterpillar Activity Wall Panels are a game-changer when it comes to sensory wall toys. They are designed to engage both children and adults alike, making them perfect for various settings. These panels are not only fun but also highly educational. Let's dive into the features that make this product exceptional. These wall panels offer 6 different activities that stimulate your senses and keep you engaged. From bead mazes to lockable doors with textured surfaces, interlocking gears, and more, there's something for everyone. The panels are built to last, ensuring years of use without breaking. Plus, they come with fixing holes and attachment screws for easy and sturdy mounting. These busy boards follow the Montessori philosophy, encouraging curiosity and helping users build motor skills, coordination, descriptive language, spatial reasoning, and more. With a length of 6 feet 3 inches, these panels are excellent for small groups of children or adults to play together and socialize. They create a fun and interactive environment. Not only are these panels engaging, but they also serve as cute caterpillar-themed wall decor for bedrooms, play areas, classrooms, or waiting rooms, saving floor space. Spark and Wow offers a range of other themed panels, like the crocodile, bear, zebra, and more, so you can mix and match to create the perfect interactive environment. The Caterpillar Activity Wall Panels measure 18.5 by 18.75 by 12.75 inches and weigh 27.1 pounds. They are suitable for ages 18 months and up. You can find these fantastic sensory wall panels on Amazon at a great price. Check out the link in the description below to get your own. In summary, the Spark and Wow Caterpillar Activity Wall Panels are a fantastic addition to any space, offering engaging and educational activities for both children and adults. They are durable, easy to assemble, and perfect for creating interactive environments. So, why wait? Enhance your space with these incredible sensory wall panels today. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching.